Well, hello everyone, and welcome again to the Bio Preview from Fierce Events and from Orientation Marketing. I really hope you enjoyed the great panel with Jessa on what is it that is going to happen in a huge Bio International event. I am really looking forward to seeing everybody in San Diego. On behalf of the other producer of the event, co-producer, I should say, Orientation Marketing, I am Elliott Berger. I'm a director at Orientation Marketing and a strategy and marketing consultant to CDMOs and their investors. So it's a pleasure to host this event. After this panel, you'll see a number of quick takes from C-suite executives on what's really vital to discuss about at Bio. And then you're going to see some rapid fire presentations from a few CDMOs that have really interesting things to discuss with you at Bio, and we really think they're a must-see stop on your itinerary. Well, first, to get things started, I'm just going to ask my own opinion on what I think is vital for the industry to discuss at Bio, to get things started, and then you can hear others interspersed between the quick takes and the rapid fires. So I really think there's two major things that are going on in the industry right now that the executives really need to grapple with. One is the continuous explosion in the increasingly complex and innovative modalities within the biologic space. You know, when I first started, not to date myself, there was, mAbs and some more mAbs and some antibodies, maybe a couple of bispecifics. Now you've got cytokines and fusion proteins and exosomes and multispecifics and you name it, we've got it, right? It's very exciting, those things will eventually cure diseases and help countless patients around the world. What I think the industry has to grapple with is those things can't really be produced efficiently with the methods that were perfected for the use of mAbs over time. And new technologies, new approaches are needed to make it more cost efficient, more effective, more streamlined, and to deliver therapeutically complex products well, and to really in a currently complex environment with funding and technologies to get that into the clinic and through the clinic. The other thing that's really going on and a big trend, and it was just in the news that the administration has put out, Biosecure Act details, geopolitical pressures between security and tariffs and supply chain complexity is really riling up the space. I think it's really important for people to get their regional manufacturing supply chain in order. You need to be able to produce close to patients and avoid any delays or distractions and costs of all of these rapidly changing and not so predictable variables. I really think US for US, Europe for Europe, and Asia for Asia will become a thing. And the innovators will have to have supply bases in these three regions at least, launching or shortly thereafter. So I think it's a great opportunity at Bio for everybody to talk about that, see best case scenarios, who is doing what, how are they getting along, and really formulate the strategy. And I guess the final thing I'll close with is, with those two things, you need to meet more people, talk to more people, look at more technologies, look at more factories, talk to more potential partners. And that's a great place to be at Bio. That's everybody is there. And don't stick to who you know and just who you know. Try to make a few new friends and go around and look. And I think with that, I am looking forward to meeting everybody. So feel free to reach out for a meeting. Otherwise, there will be some more executive quick takes after this to see what others think are the vital things to talk about. And to start making new friends and seeing new faces, stick around for the rapid presentations on new capabilities from must-see partners at Bio. I will see you in San Diego. Thank you.